Hello guys and welcome to this video. My name is Edgar. Today, let me talk to you about would you like. What is this would you like? Many times people, when they're learning English and they're still learning vocabulary and expressions, they're not quite sure about how to use some of these expressions. One of them is would you like. So what is would you like? Well, we use this expression when you're inviting or offering something to someone. For example, would you like a coffee? Or would you like to join us for dinner? Okay, you can also say do you want? However, it is not completely correct, especially when you're trying to be formal or more polite with someone, okay? So guys, don't forget, would you like? We use it when you are offering or inviting someone to do something or to come along with you. Okay guys, so I'll see you next time in another video. Take care, goodbye.